Here we have a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is a Z71 model, 4x4. Truck is just about perfect. Cleaned up, very, very nice. No scratches or dents. It's got 4 nice tires. Very good looking truck. Towing package. Your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, Bose stereo system, push button 4-wheel drive, fog lights, leather wrapped steering wheel with stereo controls, driver information center. It's got 75,000 miles, 6-disc CD changer, dual zone climate control, OnStar. It's got the center bucket seats, nice big back seat. How the Avalanche works is you fold these up, then you fold this down, and then you can actually take and you can fold this piece flat, and then you have a completely flat surface into the bed of the truck. And you can also take out this rear window as well. You can put a 4-wheeler or snowmobile or something that's longer. It's pretty slick. And this is a 3-piece tonneau cover on top, which you can take off real easy. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com, and that's hometownwausau.com. And this is a 1-owner Carfax, no accidents.